I'm Kerri Hollywood. Welcome to another Teach Me Tuesday. I'm going to show you how I make portobello mushroom burgers. I love this recipe. And yeah, portobello mushroom burgers are not hard, but it's the sauce, the marinating sauce, that I love so much. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Look at how fabulous this portobello mushroom turned out. For me, I love to dress it with some Swiss cheese and some slices of avocado. Whether you use some whole grain bread, just a regular bun, or place it on some leaves of lettuce, what a fantastic lunch, and it tastes so good. So try this portobello mushroom burger at home. Remember, it's not about the mushroom, it's about that delicious sauce. So I hope you try it. It's so good. Remember to subscribe below for more great videos like these. PSP Kingston, the health and wellness provider for the military community.